what kind of insurance a roofer really needs, and how do you save money doing it? Florida roofer, it's no easy task. You're climbing roofs at 100-degree heat, juggling subs, and praying hurricane season doesn't hit your backlog too hard. The last thing you want to worry about? Yeah, you said it. And it's the insurance that doesn't protect you when things go sideways. That's where we come in. Every week I get calls from Florida roofers, guys who've been doing this for 20 years, and guys who just got their roofing license. Brian, what actual insurance I need for my roofing business? And how can I stop overpaying? Let me break it down for you. General liability for roofers is the first line of defense. You can't even pull a permit or step into a job site without general liability insurance. This policy protects you from lawsuits if your work accidentally causes bodily injury or property damage. Say your crew drops a pack of shingles down the customer's skylight, or worse, a homeowner slips on a loose tile. Without general liability insurance for roofers, that bill lands directly in your lap. For most roofing contractors and GCs, they require proof of coverage before you even get paid. Yeah, and trust me, you don't want to get red tagged mid-project because your certificate insurance is not up to date. Typical limits for roofers, $1 million, $2 million. And that's pretty much non-negotiable. That's standard. Second is workers' comp. If you're a roofer in Florida, don't mess around with this one. If you got one or more employees working for you, Florida workers' compensation is the law. Don't take my word for it. Roofing's one of the most hazardous jobs in the construction industry. Slip, falls, trips, nail gun accidents, and falling off the ladder. Florida's workers' compensation insurance pays for your employees' medical bills and lost wages. And here's the kicker. If you're caught operating without workers' compensation, Florida's Division of Workers' Compensation can issue a stop work order on the spot. That means your projects freeze instantly, and you can face fines of up to twice of unpaid premiums. So are you thinking of just 1099ing everyone? Well, you might want to think again. Florida's cracking down on misclassification. A few $100s a month in workers' comp premiums can save you thousands in penalties. We can go on and talk about other policies that you got to get, but let's just keep it simple and protect your business and your workers. So how do I keep my roofing insurance costs down? This is where a smart roofer separates himself from the rest. Invest in safety training. Enroll your crew in safety programs that your agent should be offering you. If your agent's not offering you any safety programs and risk management tools, then insurance companies love that you're in compliance. And no better way to be in compliance than by completing safety courses of training and doing safety meetings. And by showing proof of that, secondly, get an OSHA safety manual. That'll show carriers that you are serious about compliance, and therefore you can request credits. And lastly, work with a real specialist that simply knows what he's doing. Not every agent understands roofing risks. You need a partner that works with Florida roofers all day, every day. And that's where Fortified Insurance comes in. At Fortified Insurance Group, we don't just specialize. We live for roofers in Florida. From single crew startups to multi-county contractors. We don't just sell policies. We help you understand your total cost. That means keeping your cash flow strong, your workers protected, and your business in compliance. We partner with carriers that give up to 30% off if you implement safety training. Your next step should be simple. Protect your crew, cash flow, and your reputation. Don't wait until after the accident, audit, or lawsuit.